Welcome back, Lam.
Job.
Okay, so let us have the next one, shall we? The weather is bad. It is raining.
I I use
I
my
use, but we have to make the present continuous. Can you make the present continuous using use?
I have
I
dad's
am.
laptop.
Okay, I am using dad's laptop. Mom and dad.
Uh, I'm no professor.
Okay, mom and dad are.
Right to no.
Okay, all right. Think postcards. I want to go home. Bye for now, Josh. Now let us have the next one. Hi again. We
We get ready. No, we have a great time now. The weather is good.
okay.
It's not
So
rain.
wait, Lam. Okay, so in here it's not we have. See, it's happening now, Lam. Remember, you have to make a present continuous form of the verbs in the box. So if you use have, it should be we are having. Okay? We are having a great time now. The weather is great.
Not raining.
Okay, it is not raining.
Oh,
The sun
the sun. The sun. The sun. It's so hot, teacher.
Okay, so we're done with rain. We're done with use. We're done with right. We're done with not rain. So you only have, okay, as well as have. You only have three options left, ma'am. Get ready, shine, and swim.
Get ready.
Okay, is it the sun is getting ready? No,
Where the
right?
sun shines.
Yes, the sun not shines. The sun is shining.
Uh,
Lots of people.
um, get ready in the sea.
No, not get ready
Swimming
in the
sea,
sea.
swimming sea.
Yes, lots of people are swimming, lamb, swimming in the sea.
I
I,
get ready for the picnic to the sea.
okay, I am getting
Yeah.
ready. Okay, remember, lamb, that we will use is are and am. After that, you will add the ing form. See, we have here is raining, using, or writing, or having, isn't raining, is shining, or swimming, and I'm getting ready. Okay, that is the structure for the present continuous tense. Okay?
Yeah.
What is present continuous tense again, Lang? Present continuous tense. What is it? What is it again, Lang?
It's teacher.
It is?
It
No,
is
we've talked. It's not difficult, Lam. We have talked about this one already.
let
I've
me think.
defined this earlier already, Lam. Show us the present simple
Teacher,
tense.
can you translate it again?
Oh, wait,
So
let me see.
so then you put it for
Okay. Okay, it's still here, Lam. Let us hear it again.
Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại tiếp diễn khi nói về những việc đang xảy ra, tức là đang diễn ra ngay bây giờ hoặc vào khoảng thời gian này, hoặc nói về kế hoạch trong tương lai. Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những việc làm thường nhật và thói quen.
Do you get it now, Lam?
yeah, I want to I want to hear again, so I think I will know it.
Okay, Lam.
Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại tiếp diễn khi nói về những việc đang xảy ra, tức là đang diễn ra ngay bây giờ hoặc vào khoảng thời gian này, hoặc nói về kế hoạch trong tương lai. Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những việc làm thường nhật và thói quen.
It had to be right.
So, what is present continuous tense again, Lam?
Is the real truth one?
Not the truth, Lam. That is present simple, Lam. When you're talking about the truth, Lam, facts, routines, and habits, that is present simple. What about present continuous?
Let me see.
Aside from that, what else, Lam? It is?
Happening now?
Okay, yes, that's correct, Lam. It has to be happening now. Not only this time, Lam, around this time, and it talks about future arrangement. Like maybe it's something that you will be doing later tonight or tomorrow or this Friday. Okay, that is present continuous tense. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Please remember that one. So as their structure, Lam. Okay, so we have here the questions and short answers. For questions, like for example, am I going? Am I going? Or are you going? The answer here would be yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay, so in answering these questions, Lam, all you have to do is to observe what is the question word. Like, am I? See, we have here, am I going? Yes, I am. It has to end with as well. Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Okay.
Now, Lam, we'll just talk about this one on Wednesday again, okay? So you can rest now, Lam. Thank you so much for your time and stay safe. Lam, goodbye, Lam.
Goodbye, teacher.